Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix story comments if it's not showing on Instagram. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, easy fixes first. Go over to your Play Store or App Store. Just make sure that Instagram doesn't need any update. Okay, just look for Instagram, just like so. Tap it down. If there's an update button, go ahead and tap on update. Wait for the process to finish. Now, once that's done, try to go ahead and check if it works. If that still won't work, go to find the app icon, tap and hold. If you're using Android, tap on the information icon, just like so. Find storage, and then go ahead and tap on clear cache first, followed by clear data. Make sure that data and cache right here is zeroed. Now, if you're using iOS, go ahead over to settings, general, then iPhone storage. And below that, you'll find Instagram. Go ahead and tap on Instagram, offload the app or offload data. And then once that's done again, if you're using iOS, you'll need to update the app from the settings or the App Store. Now, once that's done, go ahead and open up Instagram and check if it works. Now, if that still won't work, open up Instagram, go to your profile right here, and then go ahead and go to the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines, just like so. And then we are going to find how others can interact with you. Right here, this tab. Now, what we're going to do in here is go ahead and find comments. Okay, tap on comments, and then in here, just find stories right here. Now, in here, just basically select everyone, and then once that's done, go ahead and comment or check the story comments, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. That is a fixed story comment not showing on Instagram. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.